Welcome to Inert Chemistry. In today's video, we are discussing one of the minor minerals, that is iron. Sources of iron. The major sources of iron are leafy green vegetables. Similarly, liver and meat. Jerry, it is a good source of iron. Similarly, while we cook our food in iron utensils, it will improve the iron content of the diet. But remember that milk is a very poor source of iron. Requirement of iron. The daily allowance of iron for an adult is 20 mg, out of which only 1 to 2 mg is absorbed. While in Western countries, this requirement is less because their diet does not contain any inhibitory substance. The children between the age of 13 to 15 years, they need 20 to 30 mg per day. Pregnant women, they need 40 mg per day of iron. If we talk about the biochemical functions of iron, the first important function is oxygen transport. Iron, it is a core component of hemoglobin, thus the protein that is present in RBCs, so it is responsible for carrying oxygen to the body tissues. Energy production. Iron is a part of enzyme involved in the ETC or electron transport chain that are crucial for producing ATP or adenosine triphosphate, and ATP is the energy currency of the cell. DNA synthesis. Iron is essential for cell division and DNA synthesis. Neurotransmitter synthesis. Iron is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters like dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin. Immune system. Iron is necessary for the proper functioning of the immune system, supporting the activity of immune cells in fighting infections and diseases. The deficiency symptoms of iron include fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, weakness, brittle nails and hair, difficulty concentrating, increased susceptibility to infection. Metabolism. The metabolism of iron in the body involves the various different stages. The first one is absorption. Iron is primarily absorbed in the duodenum, the first part of small intestine. It can be in two forms, heme iron and non-heme iron. Transport. Iron is transported in the bloodstream by a protein that is called transferrin. Once absorbed, iron can be stored in the body in the form of ferritin, primarily in the liver, bone marrow, and spleen. Utilization. Iron is used in the production of hemoglobin for red blood cells. A portion of it is stored for future use, while some is utilized in various enzymatic processes. Recycling. Red blood cells have a lifespan of about 120 days only and are broken down into spleen. Iron from these cells is recycled and reused for new red blood cells. Excretion. Iron is not actively excreted from the body. Small amount may be lost through shedding of skin, hair, and intestinal cells. In individuals who experience bleeding, iron loss can occur through blood cells. This is all about the iron. We will come with another video.